Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's day 7 of our AWS challenge. Ready for another set of MCQs to sharpen your AWS skills? Let's get started. Question 1. Which AWS service helps identify personal identifiable information PII in S3 data? A. Amazon Guard Duty, B. Amazon Macy, C. AWS Config, or D. Amazon Detective. The correct option is B. Amazon Macy. Question 2. Which AWS database is fully serverless and automatically scales capacity? A. Amazon RDS, B. Amazon Aurora Serverless, C. Amazon Neptune, or D. DynamoDB Standard. The correct option is B. Amazon Aurora Serverless. Question 3. Which AWS service helps manage compliance reports such as ISO or SOC certifications? A. AWS Artifact, B. AWS Audit Manager, C. AWS Inspector, or D. AWS Config. The correct option is A. AWS Artifact. Question 4. Which AWS service provides managed email sending for transactional messages? A. Amazon SNS, B. Amazon SES, C. AWS Lambda, or D. Amazon MQ. The correct option is B. Amazon SES. Question 5. Which AWS service is best for building conversational chatbots? A. Amazon Comprehend, B. Amazon Lex, C. Amazon Polly, or D. Amazon Translate. The correct option is B. Amazon Lex. Question 6. Which AWS service allows private DNS resolution inside a VPC? A. Amazon Route 53 Resolver, B. Amazon CloudFront, C. AWS Global Accelerator, or D. AWS Transit Gateway. The correct option is A. Amazon Route 53 Resolver. Question 7. Which AWS service provides insights into resource configurations and compliance over time? A. AWS CloudTrail, B. AWS Config, C. Amazon Inspector, or D. Trusted Advisor. The correct option is B. AWS Config. Question 8. Which AWS service provides centralized secrets encryption using custom keys? A. AWS Secret Manager, B. AWS Systems Manager, C. AWS KMS, or D. IAM Roles. The correct answer is C. AWS KMS. Question 9. Which AWS service provides automatic patching for virtual machines? A. AWS Config, B. AWS Systems Manager, C. Amazon Inspector, or D. CloudFormation. The correct option is B. AWS Systems Manager. Question 10. Which AWS feature enables real-time monitoring of DynamoDB performance metrics? A. CloudTrail, B. CloudWatch, C. AWS Config, or D. Trusted Advisor. The correct option is B. CloudWatch. Question 11. Which AWS service helps developers test applications in multiple real mobile devices? A. AWS Device Farm, B. AWS Cloud9, C. Amazon Workspaces, or D. AWS AppStream 2.0. The correct answer is A. AWS Device Farm. Question 12. Which AWS service allows edge compute at 5G networks for ultra-low latency apps? A. AWS Outposts, B. AWS Wavelength, C. AWS Local Zones, or D. CloudFront. The correct option is B. AWS Wavelength. Question 13. Which AWS service is best suited for business intelligence, dashboards, and analytics? A. AWS Glue, B. Amazon QuickSight, C. Amazon Athena, or D. AWS Data Pipeline? The correct option is B. Amazon QuickSight. Question 14. Which AWS service can automatically detect and stop DDoS attacks? A. AWS WAF, B. AWS Shield Advanced, C. Amazon Guard Duty, or D. VPC Flow Logs? The correct answer is B. AWS Shield Advance. Question 15. Which AWS service helps monitor suspicious IAM activities like unusual API calls? A. Amazon Detective, B. AWS Config, C. AWS Inspector, or D. AWS CloudTrail Lake? The correct answer is A. Amazon Detective. Great job completing day 7, guys. Tell us your score below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with the challenge.